Struggling to find reviews on Whop before joining a community? Learn exactly where to look in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps from your dashboard to viewing reviews. Let's get started. Start by heading over to your Whop dashboard. Then, click on the Discover tab to browse available communities. Now, click on any community you're interested in. Once you're in, look for the drop-down menu near the top or side of the page. From that drop-down, select Leave a Review. Scroll down to find existing reviews from other members. And that's it! You've successfully viewed the community reviews. Happy exploring! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.